Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI, and your search for the thickest portable yoga mat has officially ended because you found it with this yoga mat.
This yoga mat is from Gruper Sports, and the first thing you notice about it is it's got a large size, but also how thick it is. Really thick and cushiony, but firm. So it's not like you're gonna feel like you're gonna lose your balance because it's got a firmness to it, but it is extremely comfortable wherever you decide you want to do your exercising or your yoga. And you can simply roll it up, and it has this really nice mesh carrying case, which makes it totally portable. So you can take your workout wherever you want. Even with my husband using it, you can see it's very little depression on the cushion. He's pressing down with his weight, but it's hardly giving it all.
So I am really impressed with how thick this yoga mat is. Whether I was using it or my husband was using it, it barely made an indent. The thickness is really firm, which makes it not only more comfortable when you're using it, but also makes it more sturdy. It doesn't slip around on you because it's substantial, but it has a carrying case with a strap, so you can still roll it up and take it with you wherever you need it. So even though it's really thick, it's still a portable, easy to travel with you yoga mat. I'm really pleased with it, and I think you will be too. And that is my point of view.